Hello everyone, in this video we will learn hooks in Cypress. There are four types of hooks. So first one is before hook, second one is after hook, third one is before each hook, and fourth one is after each hook. So we will try to learn one by one. So before hook will be executed before the scenario, and it will be executed only once. And second one is after hook will be executed after scenario, and it will be executed only once. Third one is before each hook, it will be executed before every scenarios. And fourth one is after each hook, after each hook will be executed after every scenarios. So Cypress gives the priority. So first before hook will execute, then before each hook will be getting executed, then after each hook will be getting executed, and at the last after hook will be getting executed. Okay, so we will try to learn it practically. Okay, let's get started. So under Cypress E2E page objects, I will create one step definition for the hooks. So right click on page objects and click on new file and type hooks.js. Okay, so how can we define the hooks? Okay, so I will type hook name is before. Okay, okay, then function. Okay, so for the printing purpose we are using cy.log. Okay, cy.log, and I will print here message like it's related to before hook. Then after hook, function. I will just copy paste. It's related to after hook. Then create before each hook. For each hook. Okay, and after each. Then save the changes. Now open the features file. So under features we will create new feature file, which is hooks demo.feature. Okay, type feature. So it's hooks demo. Then I will write two scenarios here. Okay, scenario, okay, scenario 1, and I will write one step. Okay, given this is scenario 1. Okay, just click on shift alt F, so it will format the code. Then same I will write another scenario. So it's scenario 2. Scenario 2. We can also provide the tags at the rate. Okay, we have created these two steps. This is scenario 1 and this is scenario 2. So we need to write the step definition for the same. Okay, then I will write the step definition over here. Test step def.js. Okay, so how to write the step definition? So you can see here is given keyword, then just type given. So under the single quotation we need to give the steps name. So give the step name here. So previous scenario we have used lambda function. Okay, this one, but we can use another way as well, like function. Okay, and then we can print the message like cy.log. This is scenario 1. Okay, same we need to create the step definition for the scenario 2. Okay, so I will just copy and paste. So here you can see given keyword and step definition, step name is this is scenario 2. So I will just replace here this is scenario 2 and print scenario. This is scenario 2 message. Okay, so click on file, save all, and click on terminal, new terminal, and type npx Cypress, open. So we will understand the flow for the hooks. And we have created hooks demo.feature file, so that's why we can see here. So just click on it, so it will execute. And we have written two scenarios, so both scenarios got passed, scenario 1 and scenario 2. Just click on scenario 1. Okay, so you can see before hook is called, okay, before this scenario, and it's called only once. Okay, before hook, then after that before each hook is called, and then after that scenario is getting called, then after that after each hook is called. Then click on scenario 2. You can see before each called, then scenario is called, then after each called, and after. Okay, you can see before and after, this will be printed only once, but you can see before each will be printed before every scenarios, here as well and here as well. Yeah, so in this video we have learned, okay, hooks in Cypress. Yeah, thanks for watching.